Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making snickerdoodle cookies. These are actually Gabe's favorite. He loves cinnamon and he just loves these cookies. It's the batter is really similar to the way I make my chocolate chip cookies with um a little bit of a variation, but they really are amazing. And I will say, do not skimp on the cinnamon. Just coat those cookies. They're going to be fantastic. It'll really just warm your soul. Have them with a cup of hot chocolate. So let's get started.